Hi, this is Caitlyn Hughes. I'm the executive director with Solar Cookers International, sharing about our experience in working with EcoGaia. We first started working with them. We actually interviewed a number of five different carbon credit consultants and chose to work with EcoGaia for a number of reasons. We initially contracted them to work on a feasibility study, looking at the possibility of carbon credits for our work through the United Nations Climate Technology Center and Network to empower people with solar cookers in Mali and the Central African Republic. So we really appreciated the expertise they brought in analyzing the data that we were able to gather, as well as combined with their expertise, and to show that it is definitely worth exploring. So we actually continued our contract with them. So right now we're in the process of creating a PDD or a project design document to further refine our financial estimates and the feasibility around doing a carbon credits project in Mali and expanding access to solar cookers there. One of the reasons we selected working with EcoGaia specifically is their knowledge and skill and expertise for helping organizations like ours go through the whole process. So other organizations that we'd met with had deep levels of expertise, but it seemed to be in just particular aspects of the process. And since Solar Cookers International is relatively new to the carbon credit marketplace, we really appreciated EcoGaia's expertise in helping guide organizations like ours through that whole process in terms of finding buyers, looking for potential grant funding sources. And actually, right now, we are working together on a grant application with them that they actually helped us find, which is really exciting and we really appreciate because making all of those pieces, understand the pieces, and then helping all the pieces fit together is essentially important. I really appreciate how easy and professional EcoGaia is to work with. They're very responsive in their communications, which I really appreciate. And we're able to be really transparent with them and have good communication about what we know, what we don't know, how the project is set up, where we see things going. And they're able to provide guidance at a level that's helpful for us in terms of looking at the next steps and making the decisions that make the most sense for the success of this initiative, empowering more people with solar cooking. So I would definitely recommend if it's something you're interested in learning about, regardless of your level of expertise in the carbon credit market, I would recommend having a further conversation with EcoGaia. Thanks so much and have a great day.